Welcome friends. In this video tutorial, we will learn about another important XML syntax. So let's see one of the syntax of attribute. XML elements can have attributes in name pairs just like in HTML. So in XML, the attribute value must always be quoted. This is the another syntax rule of XML. So you can see we have created one simple XML document. Now, if I want to define the attribute for this date root element, then date is equal to any date which you want to give, like this. So, attribute value we must have to put in double quote. If we write like this 21 to 2012, then this will generate an error. So we must have to put the attribute in double quote. So this is the rule of XML syntax. Another rule is when we want to write special character in XML, then we must have to use entity reference. For example, I want to write message that salary is less than 1000 and I am completing message, then this will not work and this will generate an error because less than will not work in XML. So we have to use the entity reference for this less than. For that we have to write ampersand sign. For less than, entity reference is LT and semicolon. So it will display salary is less than 100. If I want to give greater than, then we have to write GT in place of LT. If I want to write ampersand sign, then I have to write AMP. If I want to give apostrophe sign, then I have to write apos. And if I want to display quote, then I have to write QUOT, means quote. So this is the various entity reference. Another rule is we must have to put the tags in root tag. We cannot define any tags without root tag. If I remove this not tag and I just write all the to, from and message tags without this not tag, then this will not work. This will generate error in XML. So we must have to write these all tags in one root. And if I want to give comment in XML, then I can give comment using less than sign, exclamation mark, dash dash, and write content which you want to write in comment, and then again dash dash and greater than sign. So this is the XML comment. Now let's save this document and see what is the output. We can see comment is disabled or it is not highlighted, and in less than sign we can see less than sign is displayed using the entity reference, and we have also given the attribute which is date. So this is the proper syntax of writing XML document. So this is about XML syntax. Thank you.